Learn about different types of soups to explore their unique ingredients, flavors, cooking methods, and cultural importance in cuisines around the world. Comment your favorite soup from the video. Tom Yum. A spicy Thai soup made with shrimp, lemongrass, lime leaves, chili, and herbs. Pho. A Vietnamese noodle soup made with beef broth, rice noodles, herbs, and meat. Ramen. A Japanese noodle soup made with rich broth, noodles, eggs, and sliced meat. Miso soup. A Japanese soup made with miso paste, tofu, seaweed, and green onions. Hot and sour soup. A Chinese soup made with mushrooms, tofu, vinegar, and chili. Wonton soup. A Chinese soup made with dumplings filled with meat and flavorful broth. Laksa. A spicy noodle soup made with coconut milk, curry paste, and seafood. Sinigang. A Filipino sour soup made with tamarind, vegetables, and meat or fish. Bulalo. A Filipino beef soup made with marrow bones, corn, and vegetables. Kimchi Jjigae. A Korean stew made with kimchi, tofu, pork, and spicy broth. Sundubu Jjigae. A Korean tofu soup made with soft tofu, chili paste, and seafood or meat. Samjitang. A Korean chicken soup made with ginseng, garlic, rice, and herbs. Bak Kut Teh. A Malaysian herbal soup made with pork ribs and medicinal spices. Mi soto. An Indonesian soup made with noodles, chicken broth, and spices. Soto Ayam. An Indonesian chicken soup made with turmeric broth and rice noodles. Tinola. A Filipino ginger soup made with chicken, green papaya, and leafy greens. Khao Soi. A Thai curry noodle soup made with coconut milk and crispy noodles. Borscht. An Eastern European soup made with beetroot, vegetables, and meat broth. Goulash Soup. A Hungarian soup made with beef, paprika, potatoes, and vegetables. French Onion Soup. A French soup made with caramelized onions, broth, bread, and melted cheese. Bouillabaisse. A French seafood soup made with fish, shellfish, tomatoes, and herbs. Vichyssoise. A French creamy soup made with potatoes, leeks, cream, and onions. Minestrone. An Italian vegetable soup made with beans, pasta, and tomatoes. Pasta e fagioli. An Italian soup made with pasta, beans, vegetables, and herbs. Ribollita. A Tuscan bread soup made with vegetables, beans, and stale bread. Gazpacho. A Spanish cold soup made with tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and olive oil. Caldo Verde. A Portuguese soup made with potatoes, kale, and sausage. Avgolemono. A Greek soup made with chicken broth, rice, eggs, and lemon. Tartar. A Bulgarian cold soup made with yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, and dill. Żurek. A Polish sour rice soup made with sausage, eggs, and fermented rye flour. Clam Chowder. A creamy American soup made with clams, potatoes, cream, and onions. Chicken Noodle Soup. A comforting soup made with chicken, noodles, carrots, and celery. Gumbo, a Louisiana soup made with seafood, sausage, okra, and dark roux. Chili soup, a spicy American soup made with beans, meat, tomatoes, and chili peppers. Corn chowder, a creamy soup made with corn, potatoes, milk, and herbs. Split pea soup, a thick soup made with split peas, vegetables, and ham. Lobster Bisque, a creamy seafood soup made with lobster, cream, and butter. Tomato soup, a smooth soup made with tomatoes, cream, onions, and herbs. Potato soup, a creamy soup made with potatoes, milk, cheese, and herbs. Broccoli cheddar soup, a cheesy soup made with broccoli, cheddar cheese, and cream. Pozole, a Mexican soup made with hominy, pork, chili peppers, and herbs. Menudo, a Mexican soup made with tripe, chili broth, and spices. Sopa de Lima, a Mexican chicken soup made with lime juice and tortilla strips. Ajiaco, a Colombian soup made with chicken, potatoes, corn, and herbs. Locro, a South American soup made with corn, beans, squash, and meat. Caldo de res, a beef soup made with vegetables, corn, and flavorful broth. Sancocho, a Caribbean soup made with meat, root vegetables, and plantains. Cazuela, a Chilean soup made with meat, potatoes, pumpkin, and corn. Moqueca Soup, a Brazilian seafood soup made with coconut milk and tomatoes. Canja de galinha, a Brazilian chicken soup made with rice and vegetables. Harira, a Moroccan soup made with lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, and spices. Korba, a North African soup made with vegetables, meat, and herbs. Moulakia, an Egyptian soup made with jute leaves, garlic, and broth. Full Medam soup, a bean soup made with fava beans, garlic, and olive oil. Pepper soup, a Nigerian spicy soup made with meat, peppers, and herbs. Egusi soup, a West African soup made with melon seeds, vegetables, and meat. Groundnut soup, a peanut soup made with vegetables, spices, and meat. Okra soup, a thick soup made with okra, meat, seafood, and spices. Oxtail soup, a rich soup made with slow-cooked oxtail and vegetables. Lentil soup, a hearty soup made with lentils, vegetables, and spices. Dal Shorba, an Indian soup made with lentils, garlic, and warming spices. Rasam, a South Indian soup made with tamarind, tomatoes, and black pepper. Sambar, a lentil soup made with vegetables, tamarind, and spices. Mulligatawny soup, a curry-flavored soup made with lentils, chicken, and spices. Yakhni soup, a Kashmiri broth made with meat, yogurt, and spices. Thukpa, a Tibetan noodle soup made with vegetables, meat, and broth. Shorba, a Middle Eastern soup made with meat broth, vegetables, and herbs. Khadi, an Indian yogurt soup made with gram flour and spices. Tomato rasam, a tangy South Indian soup made with tomatoes and tamarind. Cullen skink, a Scottish soup made with smoked fish, potatoes, and cream. Irish stew soup, a hearty soup made with lamb, potatoes, and onions. Pea and ham soup, a thick soup made with peas, ham, and vegetables. Scotch Broth, a barley soup made with lamb and root vegetables. Beer soup, a German soup made with beer, bread, and cheese. Solyanka, a Russian soup made with meat, pickles, olives, and sour cream. Kapusniak, a cabbage soup made with sauerkraut, potatoes, and meat. Ciorba, a Romanian sour soup made with vegetables and herbs. Fasolada, a Greek bean soup made with white beans and olive oil. Fish soup, a Nordic seafood soup made with fish, broth, and vegetables. Salmon soup, a Finnish soup made with salmon, potatoes, and cream. Reindeer soup, a Scandinavian soup made with reindeer meat and root vegetables. Cheese soup, a creamy soup made with cheese, milk, and vegetables. Barley soup, a hearty soup made with barley, vegetables, and herbs. Mushroom soup, a creamy soup made with mushrooms, cream, and onions. Pumpkin soup, a smooth soup made with pumpkin, cream, and spices. Carrot ginger soup, a healthy soup made with carrots, ginger, and broth. Cauliflower soup, a creamy soup made with cauliflower, garlic, and cream. Spinach soup, a nutritious soup made with spinach, onions, and herbs. Seaweed soup, a Korean soup made with seaweed, sesame oil, and broth. Duck soup, a flavorful soup made with duck meat and vegetables. Beef bone soup, a rich broth soup made with slow-cooked beef bones. Turkey soup, a comforting soup made with turkey, vegetables, and noodles. Vegetable soup, a mixed vegetable soup made with broth and herbs. Chicken corn soup, a creamy soup made with chicken, corn, and eggs. Noodle soup, a broth-based soup made with noodles, vegetables, and meat. Egg drop soup, a Chinese soup made with silky egg ribbons and broth. Tom Kha Gai, a Thai coconut soup made with chicken, mushrooms, and galangal. Crab soup, a seafood soup made with crab meat, spices, and broth. Seafood chowder, a creamy soup made with mixed seafood, potatoes, and cream. Matzo ball soup, a Jewish soup made with chicken broth and dumplings. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Infozillion.